welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I have so many good things, so many things that you're going to be seeing and some upcoming crafts I can't wait to do and share with you guys and make those with you guys. And some of the things are for my son's Easter basket. I do fill Easter baskets for both my sons. I don't think I actually got anything for my oldest this trip, but I will start picking them up. I always try to start picking up things early, and then by the end I end up having usually way too many things, but you know how it goes, right? So I have lots of things to share with you. These are going to be in no particular order, as I'm just going to grab a bag and start showing you what I got. So the first couple things are for craft projects. I'm super excited about these things. Oh my gosh. So I have a really great craft that I'm going to be sharing with you guys hopefully very soon. But I got a couple of the hanging, what are they called? They're like a hanging plant, but they're hanging wire baskets. And so it comes with this. It did not come, you can buy the like grass insert. It's not really grass, it's like brown, like it looks like dirt or whatever insert. I didn't buy those there. You buy those separately, but I bought 2 of these for a craft project. And I bought just I think it's an 8 or 9 inch cake pan, and it's also for a craft project coming up. On to the next bag. So, oh my gosh, so they have these little Lego cars. They look like a car. There were, I think, 2, my Dollar Tree had 2 different designs, and they're filled with these little Legos, and I thought these would be super cute for my son's Easter basket. I have been seeing a lot of people have the Lego like strips that roll up and you can put different places. My Dollar Trees, I have tried 3 local ones and I have not found them yet. Oh my gosh, if you're a local friend and you find them, pick them up and I will get them from you. I did buy just some little garland, greenery garland. That is for a craft project. I bought, my son loves RVs and campers. He calls them adventure vans. We don't even have one. We need one. We totally need one, but we don't have one. But I thought this would be cute for his Easter basket. The next couple things I bought were some super glue. I bought these little, I really like these because they're just as much super glue as in the bigger ones, but you know how many times have we glued the cap on, like permanently glued the cap on? Happens to me all the time. So I love these little tiny super glues that they have. And then this is very similar. It is the Fix All adhesive, and I do like that for some other kinds of projects. More craft supplies. I was needing a new pair of wire cutters. I never can find mine anyway. I have a new kind of area, and so I'm gonna put them right there. Right there. They're not gonna leave right until the next time I can't find them, right? So, but what happens is I end up using them down in the garage, and so I'm they're either upstairs or downstairs, and so I just needed another pair of those. And then I picked up some Mod Podge. I picked up some nail things. Guys, I am like the world's worst when it comes to like hair, makeup, and nails. I'm just no good at it. I don't know. I never have been. Doesn't matter how many times I watch YouTube videos, and you guys are so good at that. You girls just, you rock. But I am not. But I do love my nails done, especially for special occasions and date nights and things. But, you know, doing the baby steps, I just can't put that in the budget like every single, week or every other week. It's just not, where I want. I would just rather pay for other things right now. And Dollar Tree splurges, right? So it's, you're weighing one or the other, right? So anyway, but I did pick up some nail things that I do like to have, like my nails for date nights and stuff. And so I think I actually have another package of these. I'm not sure where it is. I'm sure I'll get to it. But I bought these. I've tried these a long time ago, and they didn't stay on very long. But I thought, hey, it might, even if it just stays on for a date night, right? It might work, right? And then I did need some emery boards and things because I went to do mine the other day and I didn't have any. It was like really, it was getting wore out. So I did, this one actually came with, I think I found this one first. And at first I just found some little normal emery boards and I was just going to buy those. And then I saw these and they, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Like they have like a little butterfly, so they have a long one, and then they have 4 little butterfly shaped ones, and then a cuticle pusher and a little pair of nail trimmers. So I thought, hey, for $1, that's a great deal. And then I did buy one of those blocks that had the different courses, which I really like those. I picked up some batteries because, oh my gosh, with kids, like everything runs on batteries, right? And I actually picked up 4 packages, and by the time I filmed this, which was just a couple days later, there's only 2 packages. So I think Wii remotes needed them and different things. So anyway, we go through batteries super fast at our house, and so I picked up a couple packages of those. I picked up, oh my gosh, I have several things on my lap. I don't think the camera shows it down there, but it's like all balancing right. I picked up these for my son's Easter basket, and I just thought that they would be really good. He's done the little kid ones, like the 25, 50 count puzzles. He is 9, but there's just some things he struggles with. But anyway, I really think that he will like these. And my husband had actually picked up one, I think it was a 100-piece puzzle recently, and they did it together, and he just really enjoyed that. And so I thought, wow, it's been a long time since he's done puzzles, you know, because he's getting bigger, but he enjoyed it. So I picked up these for his Easter basket. And I think that when Jacob picked it up at Walmart, it was like a shark one, and it was 100 pieces, and it was like $6 or $7. It was so expensive. I remember he came home and he's like, well, when did puzzles get so expensive? But anyway, if you've watched my cleaning video, I've actually moved it around a couple of times because I keep forgetting to get like puzzle glue. I wonder if I can use Mod Podge, maybe. Anyway, I keep forgetting to like put it together like permanently so he can hang it up in his room, but I thought these would be cute for his Easter basket. Here is the other thing of nails that I bought. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So they look like little French manicures with little bows. So I'm really hoping that these work out okay. I don't know. We'll see how they work. Let me know in the comments below if you have used these or if there's any like tips and tricks and everything. So yeah. Anyway. I did also pick up a couple things of nail polish. I picked up this really blue. They had some really pretty pastel colors in, and I really liked that one. And then I did pick up just a like a top coat, like a clear coat. Here is another one of these adventure vans that my son calls them for his Easter basket. Oh my gosh, super cute. And then I picked up one of these. I've hauled these a couple times. I haven't done a lot of haul videos recently. I'm trying to get back into that because, oh my gosh, I love them, and I know you guys do too. So anyway, I'm going to try to do these and just, you know, refer back and forth with my different craft videos. So I did pick up this little guy, and it is for a craft project coming up that I'm super excited about. Make sure you stay tuned to see this one because it's a good one. I bought this silver charger and a display easel, and I actually bought these to go together because I am going to do a craft project where I put some vinyl letters and sayings on one of these. So that is going to be a really cute $2 vinyl project that I'm super excited about, and I'll show you guys that when I get it all done. I also picked up this Easter grass. It's actually like I think in the craft section they have this kind of thing all year long. They don't always have it at the Dollar Tree, but you can always find it at Walmart and different things. But I actually love it. I love it. It's like a more of a natural looking, and I bought it for a craft project. My Dollar Tree only had one of these anchors. It is such, I mean, look how big it is, guys. It's super big. It is bent, but I really think that I can get it just a little bit damp, set some books on it, and it'll just straighten back out when it dries out. So anyway, I bought that for an upcoming craft project. I'm actually not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it, but I know it was super cute, and yeah. So yeah, so sometimes I don't actually have a craft project in mind, and I just have to get it. I bought this is super cute. I thought I could vinyl like a little saying or something on it, and I bought it for my desk at work. I'm always needing like a little scrap piece of paper to write down something. I go in and out of a couple different programs, and I'm always needing to like write down a number so I can transfer it to a different program or whatever. And so sometimes I have sticky notes or whatever, but I really just like these little, open it here. It just has note paper in it, and so it's about the size of sticky notes. Oh my gosh, it's like stuck. So yeah, so it just, whoops, it's really full. So it just opens up and has like a little note paper in it, and I just thought that would be really handy for my desk at work. And then lastly, I bought just one of these clear glass hot plates or cutting boards. I'm not sure exactly what they call them a cutting board, but they're really small for a cutting board, so it'd be like more like cutting cheese or whatever, things like that. But I really like they make really cute craft like projects. You can vinyl on the back of them and see through them, and they're so cute. They make really good hot plates. They also make really good like stands to put your hot glue gun and different things on them. So many things with these guys. Yes, and only $1, and they're glass. You can't can't go wrong. Anyway guys, that is the haul for this week. I am super excited to share this with you. I'm super excited to show you all the craft projects that I'm going to be doing with them. And yeah, I can't wait to craft with you guys really soon. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell for notifications so you know when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.